Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about a recent launch which is done by Xiaomi. That is MI's recent launch which is launched today. So that is MI Band fitness band 5th generation, that is MI Band 5. So in this video we're going to talk about the new updated specs about these bands and my personal suggestions on this MI band. So the first thing which we are going to talk here is, before entering this content, is basically MI's first band, like previous band, that is MI Band 4 was launched nearly like 1 year ago. So now after 1 year they are launching this MI Band 5. So in the sense, the things which I'm going to talk here, like some of the contents which is so available in nowadays smart fitness bands. So that is the main thing. But what is the thing, according to MI, it is in updated here. That's it. So the first thing which you're going to talk here is about its display. Here it comes with 1.2 inches OLED display, so AMOLED display. So that's cool. So AMOLED display in the sense, here your usage in the night time, so the dark colors will be so good. That's the primary thing. And here it comes for the first time in round color face, and there are plenty of dial faces which is available, which is given by MI in MI Fit app. So if you're buying this band, please download MI Fit app. You can connect and do whatever you want. You can take conversation, notifications, WhatsApp calls, all those things, all those stuffs are available. So these are like, the pre things which is all available before. But now what we are going to talk here is about its new updates. So the first thing which we are going to talk here is about PAI. So that is personal activity intelligence. So this is a new thing which is launched. So it is so useful for just looking into your activities in the next level. That's it. So basically it will be showing you graphs or like schedules, what you're doing or how your fitness is going on, all those personals like a trainer. So that's the main thing which is brought. And in addition to that, you have this PPG sensor which will be sensing your heart rate, blood pressures, all those tips. It will send you notifications to your knowns, unknown people. So all those things are available. So moving forward, the next new thing is about REM sleep monitoring. So in the sense, in all previous MI bands, it will just say how much time you slept. But now with help of REM monitoring, what is the main thing is, it will start analyzing your sleep cycles. It will show you charts, the amount of times, calories, all those stuffs you'll be getting now. So that is also a new update. And the next thing is about camera shutter. So here the camera shutter button has been added, so new. So in the sense, if you are connected to your smartphones with help of MI Fit app, you can take group selfies or solo selfies, portraits, landscapes, all those stuffs can be done with help of your fitness band. So that is available. You can add more sports modes. Now they're giving like 4, but in the MI band you can go till 11. So that is cool. And talking more, the main thing is battery. So battery in the sense, the battery MAH is not published or not announced yet, but the company has given a statement that it will launch, that the battery will long last up to like a 15 days. So 15 days is good. And the main thing is charging portal. So here it comes with magnetic cable for the first time in MI, and many users were giving their feedbacks and many reviews, please change this thing. So finally in MI Band 5 there is magnetic cable, so that is also cool, which is being launched so new. So finally to the baseline is, this MI Fitness Band 5 comes in 2 variants. So the first variant is with NFC and the second variant is without NFC. So for those people who doesn't know what is NFC, I'll help you out. So NFC in the sense, near field communication. So what is this? So basically near field communication in the sense, if you take countries like China where this has been launched. In China, suppose if you're traveling in bus, you don't have to give liquid cash like in hand. You can pay via your smartphones or Android phones, any phones you have, or tablets with help of this NFC, just like a payload. How in India we use this PhonePe, Paytm, Test, BIM, all those things. That's it. But in China it is like to the next level. That's it. And without NFCs for peoples like us from India, whom we doesn't have till now 5G also, so which is quite an issue. So these are the things, 2 variants which is available. So coming last, if you're like a country from my place like India, then please go for without NFC. If you're from some places where NFC is there, up to my knowledge I know only China, I don't know about other countries it is available or not. If it is available, please say me in comment so that I'll know whether it is there or not. So that's the thing. And for people who are interested in creating something or so, please create NFC in India. It will be so useful, because ATMs, money is not always there when we need. There will be no money. Banks till Friday, some days Saturdays. So money, you can go for digital banking. So please, if anyone is interested, create an app on this NFCs. It will be so useful for people like us in India. So that's the main thing. And coming last about this band is about its price. So without NFC comes around 2000 Indian rupees. With NFC comes around 2500 rupees. That's it. So who is interested, you can go for it. Now coming to my personal suggestion on this MI band. So the first thing is the things which I told here, like all the updates and so, all are available in the upcomings, or which has been launched like maybe like 2 months back. All fitness bands have these all new things. So my personal suggestion is, if you're going for fitness bands, please make sure that you buy some band which is launched maybe like 2 months or 1 month before. That's it. Please don't go for 6 months, 1 year ago. It's not a good choice, because you'll be outdated. That is the main thing. So if you're going to buy, just look for when it is launched. If it's launched like 2 months back, you can go for it. If it is 1 month, okay. If it is launched like 1 week before, pakka, today you can. That's it, because all will be updated till the level. That's it. So this is the end of this video. So hope so you like this video. If like it, give it a thumbs up. So like this content, I'll just meet you in the next video. So till then, peace from K Square. Bye.